Hey boys and girls, guess what? Today we are going to be learning about another digraph. Woohoo! Remember, a digraph is when two letters, 1, 2, work together to make one sound. Okay? Normally when we would see WH together, we might think it would say w, w, but really they work together to make one sound, saying W sound, w, w, w. We hear this sound at the beginning of whistle, w, w, whistle, w, w, whistle, and wail, w, w, wail, w, w, wail. So go ahead and grab a piece of paper and a pencil and you can write some WH words with me. Now look at my silly board, it's upside down. That's okay. It was just because I didn't feel like redrawing my pictures. So the first two words we're going to write together, boys and girls, that begin with WH are what and where. And guess what? Those are familiar to us already because they're our sight words, right? So let's sing our sight word song first for what, okay? So it's W-H-A-T, what, what are you doing? W-H-A-T, what are you doing? And if I were to sound it out, I would hear the W at the beginning of what, but the A wouldn't match the in the middle and the T. It's just something we have to memorize, and that's why we have a song, right? So good job writing what with me. Now, let's switch that over to the sight word where. Okay, so let's sing our song. W-H-E-R-E, where are you? Where are you? W-H-E-R-E, where are you? Great. Okay, let's change where now to the word whim. When we say someone does something on a whim, it means that they didn't plan to do it. So let's tap out whim since it's not a sight word to write it. Ready, set, go. Whim. That kind of reminds me of the word hymn. Those rhyme. So we have our we hear the I sound in the middle, right? And then at the end, what do we hear, boys and girls? Excellent. You are correct in M. Whim. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to change whim. We're going to change that to the word whale, like we have a picture of, okay? So again, we'll tap that out together. Ready, set, go. Ale. Whale. Okay, so we hear our W-H, ale. I kind of hear A saying its name. So I'm going to write A, and then I hear an O at the end. Now, we're going to learn this at the very end of the year, but what we're going to add to make whale look right and to make A say its name, A, instead of A, we're going to put a magic E at the end because that gives all of its power to A for it to say A. So it's ale. Good. Now we're going to write another word that's also going to have magic E at the end because the vowel is going to say its name, its long sound, okay? So this is our last WH word we're going to write together, and it is the word white. White. Let's tap that out. White. We hear I hear I saying its name. T. And again, we're going to add a magic E at the end to give all of its power to I, so I says its name instead of I. So white. Great job, boys and girls. See if there are any other WH words you can write.